Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Midwest Safety, and the title of it is called "This Karen Forced the Airplane to Land." Oh man, people love going to the airport and causing trouble. I don't even understand it.
Man, how are you doing tonight?
Man, we just need to talk to you outside real quick if you don't mind.
Walk up to the top of the ramp. Not kidding at all. Walk up to the ramp. The problem is that you wouldn't comply with the mask rule on the airplane. Walk up
I
top.
did. You have the wrong person.
No, they pointed you out. So can we
No, that's not me.
Don't make this difficult.
This isn't me. My mask has been on me and no one has spoken to me.
Walk up here.
No one has spoken to me?
Ma'am, you are holding
This entire
up.
time?
Everybody's trying to
I
get
don't know
off
why
the
you guys
plane.
are making this up. That wasn't
We're
me.
not making it up. Can you just please
somebody
go?
else? You're the wrong person. You have the wrong person. What is the problem? My mask?
Can you please exit the jetway?
You need to leave me alone.
Captain, is this the woman that was causing the issue? Okay,
What is
let's
the
go.
problem here?
Okay.
My mask?
Walk.
It was not me.
Walk.
Ma'am, can you go?
I need to be left alone.
No, you're
No.
not. Let's go. Walk forward.
You guys need to leave me alone.
Walk.
You are
That was you're the wrong person.
You need to leave.
That's not
Hey,
me.
tell her she needs to leave.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I don't need you guys
Ma'am,
around
he's asking
me.
you to
This
leave.
is illawful.
He is
And you
asking
need
Did
to
you? Would you like to press charges?
You need to exit the jet.
I'm
Would you like
calling
to
my,
press
I'm calling
charges
my
and shoot
lawyer.
Would you like to press
I'm
charges?
calling my
That's what
lawyer.
it takes for her to leave.
Turn
Are you
around.
kidding me? Stop. Stop. Okay, what? Stop.
Ma'am.
Because of
You're
my
under
mask?
arrest.
Because of my mask?
Ma'am,
No.
turn around.
What is wrong
Because
here?
you-
Okay, I'll come by.
He asked you to leave and you didn't want to leave.
Please,
Stop resisting.
What is going on here? Please, stop.
Put your hand behind you.
She says, "I will comply." It's too late. It's too late, baby girl. Listen, the officers are always gonna, for the most part, they're gonna give you a chance to do this stuff on your own. If you don't want to do it on your own, they gonna make you do it.
Stop, please.
Put your hand behind
Okay,
your back.
I will comply. What do you want from me?
Ma'am, he asked you to leave. We asked you to leave and you didn't want to leave.
Ow,
Ma'am,
ow, you
stop it.
broke it. You broke my hand.
Ma'am.
Please, my finger hurts.
Nobody's hurting you.
Please.
Put your hands behind your
Stop.
back.
Ma'am, comply.
Please stop. What is going on here?
Ma'am,
Are you
comply.
kidding me? Stop. They're photographing me on purpose. You guys are doing this. Stop. Please. For God's sake, it wasn't
Ma'am.
me.
Ma'am.
What is going on here? Am I being set up?
Come on.
For a mask?
I'll
It
grab her
wasn't
stuff.
Me. It was
I'll grab her stuff.
my mask. Hey, put it down, please stop. Don't hurt me. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Stop me. I need to call my lawyer. I need to call my lawyer right now. You literally broke my iPad. It is cracked. What is going on? Please leave me alone. Please stop.
Ma'am,
Let
turn
me
around
go.
and walk.
Ow!
Stop
Ow!
resisting.
Will you stop? What is going on here?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Trespass at the warning.
Stop! Look at my mask. Please. What is happening? You broke
Hey,
my belongings. It is
Can you stay here? We need a statement from you.
I need to talk to my lawyer. I need to talk to my lawyer right now. I need to talk to my lawyer. This is unbelievable. That was not me. That wasn't me. I don't know who you're talking about. Please, you have the wrong person. That was not me. It wasn't me. I have people next to me saying it wasn't me. Because of my mask?
No, because you wouldn't leave.
I'm leaving, okay?
I know you're leaving now.
I'm sorry. Of course I'm leaving. I wanted to talk about this.
No, you didn't want to talk about it.
Because I have paparazzi around me. People are taking.
She said, "I'm sorry. It's too late."
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Photos of me walking off the plane, obvious reason. I wanted to discuss this in a different manner. Please. It wasn't my mask. My mask? Come on. I can't do this right now. This is not happening.
Oh, it's happened.
What is happening?
You're going to jail.
What are you talking about. Stop.
Ma'am,
Please, please,
continue
please,
walking.
God, please.
Resisting.
No, no,
Stop
no,
resisting.
please.
Just walk.
No, God, no.
Ma'am, just walk.
No. No, God, please. I can't afford this.
We
I can't.
asked
I
you
have
to
no
leave the
money.
jetway.
Nothing.
You didn't want to listen.
God, please, 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 please. Please, God, no, please.
Ma'am, I need you to walk.
I'm gonna get sick. I'm gonna throw up. Please. No. I gotta talk to my lawyer. This is not right. You guys, please, no. God, please. Ow, my elbow. Ow. Stop. Everything hurts me. Please. God, no. I can't do this right now. Please, God. Oh my God. Please, no. Please. What did I do wrong?
You didn't leave when you were told to
I'm
leave.
leaving. I didn't mean to.
Too late.
Please, no, it was a setup. This is all set up. Please, God, no. This can't happen to me. No. Oh, God, no. I'm sorry. Please, God. No, please. I can't do this. It can't happen to me. Oh, my God. You guys, please stop. No. Please, God, no, please, God, no.
Ma'am,
Please don't do this
listen to me.
You guys don't do
You're
anything.
making this worse.
You know what it is, right? This is the thing, right? Like, it's finally settling in, right? That once he said, yo, you're going to jail, right? She's like, no, right? But then the further they go, right? They're going deep down into the basement. It gets grimier and grimier. You know what I'm saying? The environment. And she's like, oh my God. She's losing it. Because prison or jail or whatever, it doesn't look great. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's just getting dark and grimy and stuff. Paint is ripped off the walls. And now she come outside and she see the vehicle. It's over. Listen, I bet you next time she gonna tighten up, man. In all reality, she'll be out tomorrow or whatever, or maybe even in a few hours or whatever. It depends. But like, yeah, you gonna learn today.
Oh my God.
We have you on camera with everything.
Please, I'm
So
sorry.
I need you to stop.
Oh my God, no! Please, I'm so
It's
sorry.
not gonna, the screaming
Oh
and
my
all
God,
that is
you
not
guys,
gonna change
I'm
the
so
fact.
sorry.
We asked you to leave.
Please, let me
you didn't
talk
want
to you.
leave. That's it.
Please, God, no. I
That's
can't do this. Okay, I want to leave. I'll leave. I'm
late.
so sorry.
Too late.
I'm so sorry. Please don't do anything. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put
I
her stuff
can't.
in her bag real quick.
I can't. I'm sorry. You guys, I'm so sorry. Please, God, no, please. Oh my God, no, please. You guys, I'm so sorry.
Stand right here.
Oh my God, please.
Face the truck. Face the truck.
Please, God,
Don't move.
I'll do anything. Please.
Do not move.
I won't move. I swear to God, I won't move. I swear to God.
Is your ID in here? Is your ID in here?
Yes.
Where?
It's in there. You guys, I'm so sorry. Can I call my mom, please?
Stand right there.
My mom.
Don't move.
Please, I'll do anything. You guys, anything. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, stand right here.
I'm so sorry.
Do not move.
You guys, I am so sorry. Please, it's Valentine's Day. I'm alone. I'm so alone on Valentine's Day. Please, God, I'll do
I'm looking
anything
for her ID.
you. Please, God, please, no. What happened to you?
You.
No, that was not me.
Yeah, it was.
That was not me. No, it wasn't.
Ma'am, his arm was perfectly fine before he interrupted.
No, it wasn't me. That just happened. You walked across your truck. That was not you. You were holding me.
Ma'am, stop.
Stay up against the
Stay
truck.
right here.
That was not me.
Stay right here, ma'am.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
What? That was not me. Officer,
I got her.
I'm
I got
sorry.
her.
That was not me. Officer, I will do anything for you. I am so
You gotta
sorry.
go to jail, man.
Officer, I am so sorry.
I
I will
know.
do anything. Please look at me, please.
It's okay. You just gotta go to jail.
Officer, please,
I want to take you behind the scenes at Midwest Safety for a moment. The origins of this channel started with exclusive videos of traffic crashes in the Twin Cities area, like this semi-truck jackknife pileup or this wild pileup on a frozen bridge deck in April. When drivers have their guard down, those will always result in major crashes, especially for motorists going way too fast. They lose control, they overcorrect, and they blast into another car or another driver. And when you're seriously hurt, your injury and true.
I don't have anything in here that's gonna poke me,
Nothing
correct?
at all. You guys, please, to God, I'm on my knees.
Ma'am,
I'm so sorry.
stop.
Please, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm sorry. I will do anything. I will do anything for you.
Where's your license at?
I don't know. I don't know. Officer, what's your name? Adams. Can you please look at me? Officer Adams.
You gotta go to jail.
Why?
You're going to jail. Because they told you to leave and you refused to leave.
I'm leaving. Please.
Too late.
Officer, look
too
at
late.
me. Please, it's
It's
Valentine's
too late.
Day. Please.
You don't have
I'm at the
Valentine's.
mercy. I'm at the mercy of you.
You already said that you don't have
Look at me.
Valentine's.
Please, I will do anything. I'm so sorry. I'm leaving. I have to go. I leave. Can I please, Officer Adams? Officer Adams, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Officer Adams. Please level with me. I will do anything. I am so sorry. I am at your mercy, Officer Adams. Officer Adams, I'm at your mercy. I am at your mercy.
I know.
I have.
But you gotta go to jail.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal for me.
It's nothing personal.
But please, for
you just gotta go.
Please, I'm praying. I'm praying. I'm praying. I have no money.
Ma'am,
I have no.
stand over
I have
here.
nothing.
Face the car.
I have, you guys, please. I have no one in my life. I have nothing. This is gonna make my life so much worse. Please, God, please.
You got no money, but you got a YSL bag. You got a Louis Vuitton bag. Pretty privilege. You think that's gonna work today? Especially however they was tussling, maybe an earring scratched her or necklace or whatever. The officer bleeding on his arm. Bro, he ain't trying to hear that. I would do anything. You know, she ready to give him that that you know, that hot tour. Yeah, she ready to bust it. But hey, it ain't gonna work today.
Officer Adams, please. I don't know what I did.
All right.
I'm sorry I didn't leave. But I wanted to just talk it out.
Listen to me.
Please.
Woman to woman. Listen to me.
Woman to woman.
Okay? When we
I'm peeing my pants. I literally peed.
Listen.
So sorry.
Listen to me.
Yes, I'm sorry. Please.
We didn't want it. Ma'am, stand up.
I'm praying.
Stand up. Listen to me.
I'm begging you guys. I know.
Point.
I'm sorry. I'm
The
begging
thing
you.
is, the captain pointed you out.
I get it.
And said that you
Okay.
were the issue.
Okay.
Now, yes or no, we asked you to leave to get
Okay,
out
you're
the
right. I
jetway.
should have left.
And you said
You're right.
no, you didn't
You're
want
right.
to leave.
You're right. I'm sorry.
The moment he told you to leave and
I
you
should've
didn't want to
left.
leave, that's now
You're
a
right.
trespass after the
You're
morning.
right. I'm so sorry.
And knowing the situation that you're
sorry.
in, this would not be the best
No,
situation you
you're
would want to
right.
put yourself in.
You're right.
But unfortunately, you did.
This was so dumb of me. I'm so
Can you go
sorry.
get a statement from him?
Yeah, you got it.
Sorry. Officers, please, please.
Let me help you.
Please, I'm praying.
Erica, you gotta go. The decision's already been made.
No, please, guys, please, guys, please, stop, please. I'm so sorry. There's no way. This is real. No, I'm so sorry. What happens? I don't even know how this is going to be handled. My mom's going to pick me up. How is it?
Sure.
How much is this going to be?
$500.
Oh my God. What's going to happen after that?
From here, I've got a car coming with a cage in it. You're going to sit in the back seat of the car. We're going to go to the jail. You're going to get fingerprinted and photographed. And then you wait until your mom comes and bonds you out of jail. The bond's $500. And then when you bond out of jail, they'll give you a court date to appear.
And then what?
Depends on you. You plead guilty or no contest, it's over with. If you plead not guilty, I'll come to court. You come to court. I'll bring the video. The guy from Southwest will come. And we'll let the jury decide whether you're guilty or not.
I'm so sorry, Officer Adams.
Erica, it is what it is. It's nothing personal.
I don't have my phone, so I don't know who to. I can't call
Your phone's
anybody.
in the bag, right? That's
so
gonna stay
sorry
with
this
you.
happened.
That's gonna stay with you.
I'm sorry this happened. It was a misunderstanding.
Well, I told you to leave.
I should have left.
You should have left.
I'm so sorry.
I'm a police officer.
I should have left.
Yes,
I was just trying to talk to you guys about this. I wanted to.
No, you didn't want to talk to us.
Right. Because I know people were taking photos of me. Didn't you see a guy with a Canon camera?
I didn't pay attention. Because people take photos of us all the time. I don't pay attention to cameras. We get videoed every day. I have a video camera.
Officer, please, I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I know, but like,
I'm not going to get in trouble to keep you out of trouble.
Please, for the
I'm
love
not
of
going
God,
to get in trouble.
I'm 32 years old.
Okay.
I have no one in my life. I don't need this.
I'm not going to get in trouble.
I won't do anything. Please, I will never let this happen again.
I'm not going to get in trouble to let you stay out of trouble. It's not going to.
I see why she's 32 years old and nobody in her life. She's a headache, man.
Happen.
Officer Adams, this is everything.
I've already said that you were under arrest over the radio.
Please,
everybody and their brother.
Apologize.
Everybody heard
to the
it.
world. I'm so sorry.
No, ma'am. It doesn't work like that.
Officer, please.
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry I left. This isn't right.
We dragged you.
Because.
Kicking and screaming. Literally.
I'm sorry. Okay? This cannot happen to me. This can't be my life. This cannot happen. I don't have any. I don't know my mom's phone number. I don't know anyone's number.
It's in your phone.
So I have to get my phone?
Your phone stays with you.
So I'm in trouble for what?
For not leaving.
For not leaving. Officer, I left.
Ma'am, you are holding up. Everybody's trying to get off the phone. I don't know why you guys are making this up.
You didn't have to arrest me for this.
Over there.
This doesn't have to be an arrest. This doesn't have to be an arrest.
Okay, have a seat right here for me.
What you're getting in?
Please, this doesn't need to be an arrest. This doesn't, please. Officer! My bracelet was taken from me.
It's in your bag.
No, it's not. My David Yerman gold bracelet. I want to make sure my
It's
stuff
in your
fell on the
bag.
ground.
I know it fell on the ground.
Please, this is too much. This doesn't need to happen.
Oh, scratch it?
No, I did not.
Right there, brother.
This is a lie.
No, it's an
That's a
injury,
lie. Let's go. So this is what's happening. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this?
I'm simply reacting to your action.
Officer, I'm sorry.
Erica, I don't disbelieve you.
Officer.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. Sa complete misunderstanding at my issues.
Well, it was very simple instructions, so it should not be a misunderstanding.
I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry.
Okay, and I accept your apology.
Where at?
That's not for me. That's not for me. That's not for me. Hi, boss.
Okay.
How are you?
Stay in the car.
Okay.
You have to go.
Oh.
He's my boss.
Please. I'm so
I have
sorry.
a boss to answer
I'm so
to.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
You had the chance to go once you're arrested.
I should have went.
Right.
I should have left. But for God's sake, I'm so sorry. This is from the bottom of my heart. This will never, ever, 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 never happen again. I'm praying to God.
I believe you.
I'm at the mercy of you. This cannot happen.
No mercy.
Right now.
It's the law.
That's why I said it.
I messed up. I shouldn't have done that.
It's nothing personal.
I should have just left. But to be
nothing
honest,
personal, Erica.
You're right.
Not personal.
I was wrong.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So you have to go. So watch your foot.
Please, I just want to go home.
Watch your foot.
But please, what's your name?
Goodwin.
Officer
Trust
Goodwin,
me,
please. I'm telling you, it's a day for Valentine's Day. I don't even have a date.
Watch your foot.
I just wanted to just go home.
Watch your foot.
I'm alone.
Erica, put your foot in the car. Do it now. Put your foot in the car and do it now. Thank you.
Despite causing injury to one of the officers, Erica was only charged with trespassing and resisting.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.